Hello, everybody. After studying the question words, we are going to see some exercises. This is Miss Gladys Machado. As you know, we use the question words to ask or to make questions about specific things, like asking for a person, with who, asking for a place, with where, asking for the time, with when, asking for a reason, with why, and so forth. So now we are going to see some exercises where you're going to have the opportunity to practice the use of question words. After reading the sentence, you have to say which question word you have to add to complete the question. For example, here we says, fill the gaps with the correct question word. And here you have a little conversation between two persons, but the questions are incomplete. So the question word is missing. The first one, it says, are you going on holiday? So what is the question word? Next Friday is the answer. So when are you going on holiday? Next Friday. Let's see the second question. The answer is Croatia. Where are you going? Croatia. Number 3. Bought the tickets. My mom did. So the question word is, who bought the tickets? The next one, do you go on holiday? Once every 2 years. So the question word is, how often do you go on holiday? Once every 2 years. Let's continue. Here we have other sentences. Okay, 5. Don't you go more often? Because we don't want to. So the question is, why don't you go more often? 6. Do you do the other year? We relax in the garden and visit friends. What do you do the other years? We relax in the garden and visit friends. 7. Do you choose your holiday destination? We use the internet. So the question word is, how do you choose your holiday destination? We use the internet. And in number 8 we have, and the idea was it to go to Croatia? Our neighbors recommended it. So, whose idea was it to go to Croatia? Our neighbors recommended it. Now, here you're going to choose the correct option. Okay? We have 3 sentences. You're going to choose the correct one. So let's see. Choose the correct option. Here we are going to choose the correct question. The first one says, what did you have for lunch? Second, what had you for lunch? And third, what you have for lunch. So, which is the correct one? Yes, the first one. What did you have for lunch? Number two, who is that letter from? From who is that letter? Or who is from that letter? Which is the correct question? Yes, very good. Who is that letter from? And the third one we have, she always sings in the shower. Since she always in the shower. Does she always sing in the shower? So, which is the correct question? Does she always sing in the shower? Good. Let's see three more. Okay, in the first, we have, we can go and visit Gran. Can go and visit Gran. Can we go and visit Gran? Which is the correct one? Yes. Can we go and visit Gran? Number two. Who you bought those boots? Next. Who bought you those boots? The last one. Who did buy you those boots? So which is the correct one? Yes. Who bought you those boots? Good. Then we have, do you go to the cinema how often? How often do you go to the cinema? Or how often you go to the cinema? Which is the correct question? Yes. How often do you go to the cinema? Good. So now we have here two groups. It says choose the correct option. What did he in Germany? What he did in Germany? What did he do in Germany? So which is the correct question? The three are in past. Yes. What did he do in Germany? And the other group says, would you like another piece of cake? Do you would like another piece of cake? Do you like another piece of cake? Which is the correct one? Good. Would you like another piece of cake? That is the correct question. So, let's see. Now here we have put the words in the correct order to make questions. This is unscramble sentences, okay? So you're going to do this later as a homework and then you send it to me. Here is my email. Okay, here you can see my email, glatema5@hotmail.com. Let's see. So you have these exercises to do by your own, okay? Thank you very much. I hope you could practice everything and you can improve in the use of question words. Bye-bye.